Bondage, domination, sadism and masochism. The need for one person to control and the other to surrender.
Hi guys, it's really getting hot in here because I am in such scintillating company. Shama Sikandar urf Maya. कौन है ये Maya?
Maya is about facing your fears. You know, all of us, not just girls actually, even men. We all have these fears of getting judged by the world. So we never really show our 100%.
यहाँ तो कुछ और बोलता है. You know, you're trying making it very philosophical. यहाँ पे ये बोल रहा है.
Everything from here goes to philosophy. Don't, you know.
So he caught you there. But anyway, so we've got some rapid fire questions for you and I'm going to shoot straight. Okay? And these are all going to be about your desires.
Oh my God.
Okay. So what does Maya like? Maya likes to do it with the lights on or off.
Oh boy, I have to ask this to Vikram because this is his character. Okay, I think, are you talking about me or about Maya?
Well, we could make it about you. So whatever you don't know about Maya.
Let's not make it about me.
Okay, so but you're not getting out of this one, huh, Shama? If you don't know what Maya does with this, with my questions, then it's going to be you.
Okay.
So you choose.
Okay, no, so it's about
This is Maya. Okay.
lights on.
Lights on, yeah? Okay. Does she know the full form of BDSM?
Yes, she does.
Okay, the viewers don't know.
Please read here. I only know bondage and submission. That's it, submission. That's all I know.
And what
Domination.
and
And
masochism.
Masochism, yeah.
Massachusetts. Okay, but this one goes to me, okay, guys. This one goes to me.
I did the half.
Okay, 0.5,
Yeah.
0.5. Okay. What would be Maya's most embarrassing moment? Sexual, asexual, whatever.
To find out what the world is going to think about her.
So being judged.
Yeah, being judged.
Okay. One sexual gesture that she would never try. Because she seems very experimental, but one thing that she would never try. That is the harder one.
Yeah,
It's going to be a smaller list.
yeah, I don't think there is anything that they don't try. So yeah, she would never not try any, not be afraid to try anything.
All right. A sexual fantasy that you don't mind flaunting. Now this is you.
Kissing in public.
Hey, ye kya hai? This is everyone does it. Okay.
Hey, nobody does this.
Okay, I'm gonna give it. Okay. One place apart from the bed where everyone should try sex.
Beach.
Sex by the beach. Okay. Fill in the blank. A woman should have sex with.
A man.
Listen, all the LGBT is gonna come after you.
I mean, if she likes threesomes, then yeah, whatever.
Okay, I'm gonna give it to you. One thing women should wear while in the act.
Black lingerie. Yeah, sexy. Lacy.
Interesting. Very lacy black lingerie. Fill in the blank. A man should always respect a woman's.
Everything.
I respect the. Okay, last one. One thing that men should always keep in mind when they want to keep their women happy in bed.
To give in to her. To make her feel the queen.
Okay. Before we leave, a lot of them are not aware, but I know as a friend and as somebody from the media, you've been through a lot, especially in the last 2016, 15 and 16.
Last 4 or 5 years, I guess. Yeah.
So for those of you who've not followed iKarmik or Shaman, which is very bad, so bipolar disorder is something that she has fought and she's come out with, and now to see her here, I mean, it's very, very sublime. It's a very sublime moment for me. One advice that you would want to give to everyone out there who have been dealing with something like this?
I just want to say that it's okay to be messed up. Don't make it a big deal. It's okay. We are all messed up. Whoever says they are not, they are also messed up. So they are lying to you. If you feel anything like that, please find a psychiatrist and go and meet him. There's nothing wrong in meeting a doctor. Nothing at all. You can see me right now. I'm standing right in front of you, looking all happy.
And gorgeous. And hot. Please tell all of you what's the one reason why they should get hooked onto Maya.
Because it's hot.
That's exactly what I was looking out for. Thank you so much, Shama Sikandar, for talking to us.
Hey, this is Shama Sikandar, and please subscribe to ikarmic.com. He's fabulous.